Hi, I'm Anne.
And I'm Adam.
Welcome to Daily English Podcast. I am so happy to be here with all of you. Adam, did you read the comments from our first episode?
Hi, Anne. Yes, I read all of them. Many people are so happy to meet us.
I am very happy too. By the way, some people are asking, how old are Anne and Adam?
That's a classic question. Perfect for today's practice. Well, I am 25 years old. What about you, Anne?
I am 22 years old. I am a little younger than Adam, but he is wiser, right?
I don't know if I'm wise, but I do like to help.
A wise person is someone who has a lot of experience.
And now that they know our age, tell them where you live. Do you live in a village or a city?
I live in a village. It is a small place with many houses, few buildings, and a lot of nature, but very close to the city. I can go back and forth easily.
I love your village. It is very peaceful. I, on the other hand, live in the city. The city is a very big place with a lot of traffic, lights, and many people.
The city is exciting, but sometimes it is a bit noisy. That means there are very loud sounds that can be annoying.
That's true. My city is a bit noisy, but I like it because I have everything close by: the cinema, the supermarket, and my job. Plus, I am an energetic and sociable guy.
I understand. I like my village because it is picturesque. Picturesque means that something is so beautiful that it looks like a painting or a picture. You can always get good ideas while admiring the landscape.
What a great word! Picturesque. Don't forget this word, friends. It will be on the test at the end of this video.
Adam, don't scare the listeners. Don't believe him, friends. Adam makes those jokes from time to time. He is very funny.
Whew! I'll be in trouble when we turn off the microphones. Well, Anne, what do you like most about living in a village?
Let's see. I like that I can see the stars at night. In the city, there is too much light pollution. Oh, that word is difficult. Pollution. It means there is so much artificial light that you cannot see the stars.
You're right. In the city, I can barely see the stars. But I like walking through the crowded streets. It makes me feel energized. Besides, I can see the stars here at your house. How lucky to have friends who live in different places, right, Anne?
Absolutely. Guys, Adam is very sociable. It means he likes talking to people and being around a lot of people.
Yes, I like it. But I also like the calm sometimes. I understand why Anne prefers it. She is more introverted than I am. Introverted means that you really enjoy your time alone and quiet places.
Exactly. I am introverted and curious. That's why my house in the village is my favorite place. Are you usually more sociable or less sociable than Adam? Tell us where you like to live and what you like most about that place.
Practice by thinking about which words best describe the place where you live. Is it quiet or noisy? Warm or cool? Do you have many neighbors or few?
Oh, neighbors. That is a very important word. My neighbors are very quiet people. Only 3 families live near my house.
Only 3 families. That is very few. I have hundreds of neighbors in my building.
Hundreds? That's crazy. I know the names of all my neighbors. Sometimes Mrs. Wright gives me apples from her garden. She is very generous.
Generous is a good word. It means she likes to give things to others or share what she has.
Exactly. She is very generous. On the other hand, Adam, you live in a tall building, right?
Yes, I live on the 10th floor. I have neighbors above, below, and on both sides. It's a bit different. I don't know everyone, but we always greet each other in the elevator. It's all about good manners.
Yes. Adam, good manners are very important, and the elevator is useful when you live so high up. I don't have an elevator. My house has only 1 floor. But my neighbors are always willing to help if I need anything.
That's the good thing about small places. They are very supportive. That means people help each other when there is a problem.
What a great definition, Adam. Being supportive means acting with empathy, brotherhood, and without expecting anything in return. My neighbors are supportive and very quiet. They don't like to make noise.
My neighbors in the city are a bit noisier. Sometimes I hear music or people talking in the hallway. But that happens when you have neighbors in every direction, right? I like it because I never feel alone.
I understand. Sometimes I feel a little lonely. But then I look at my cat and it passes. Plus, the birds singing in the morning make me feel accompanied. And even more importantly, I have you on podcast days and our other human friends.
Feathered neighbors. That sounds very picturesque, Anne.
It is. But tell me, Adam, do you have any neighbor who is your friend?
Yes, my neighbor on the 9th floor is a great friend. Sometimes we cook together or study for university exams. It is very convenient to live close to your friends.
Convenient means that something is easy, useful, or comfortable for you.
Exact. It is very convenient. And what about you? Would you like to live in the city someday, or do you prefer to stay in your village forever?
I like visiting the city to see museums or go shopping, but I prefer living in the village. I like the fresh air. Although, maybe at some point I will have to move to the city. You know, the future is not written, Adam.
True, the future is unknown, and fresh air is very healthy. I try to go to big parks in the city to breathe fresh air too.
That's a good idea. In the end, the important thing is to be happy where you live, whether it's noisy or quiet.
You are absolutely right. The important thing is that your home is a cozy place, like we said in the first episode.
Exactly. Well, guys, I think we learned many new words today about our homes and neighbors.
That's right. And before we go, let's review the vocabulary from this second podcast.
Do you want to start, Adam?
Sure. Noisy, when there are very loud or annoying sounds.
Picturesque, something so beautiful that it looks like a painting.
Light pollution, too much artificial light that hides the stars.
Sociable, someone who likes to talk and be around a lot of people.
Introverted, a person who enjoys their time alone and quiet places.
Neighbors, the people who live near your house.
Generous, a person who likes to share or give things.
Elevator, a machine to go up or down floors in a building.
Supportive, people who help each other when there is a problem.
Convenient, something that is easy, useful, or comfortable.
Fresh air, clean and healthy air without pollution.
Cozy, a comfortable place where you feel very good.
And that's all for today. I loved sharing this time with you. Don't forget that every new word is one more step on your way to English.
That's right, Adam. Today we learned a lot about our homes and neighbors. Practice calmly and enjoy the process. Remember that this will always be your peaceful space to learn.
See you in the next episode to keep talking.
Take good care of yourselves and happy learning!
Goodbye.